Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy biscuits. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 1/2 cup of cold, unsalted butter and 3/4 of a cup of cold milk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut your cold butter into small pieces and use a pastry blender to cut it into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Then, gradually add the cold milk, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the biscuits. Lightly flour a clean work surface and gently pat the dough to about 3/4 of an inch thick. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to create uniform shapes. Remember, press straight down and avoid twisting the cutter. This helps ensure a beautiful rise. Place your cut biscuits on a baking sheet close together. Almost done. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer your biscuits to the preheated oven and bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly. Serve these warm, fluffy biscuits with butter, jam, or your favorite gravy. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.